Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Ranger versus the Mitsubishi L200 Triton. We will explore their key differences in performance, capability, and interior features. This comparison will help you understand which truck better suits your needs, whether for work or adventure. We'll cover engine power, towing strength, and cabin technology to give you a complete picture. When it comes to power, the Ford Ranger often features a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, delivering 270 horsepower and strong torque. The Mitsubishi L200 Triton typically comes with a 2.4-liter diesel, offering around 201 horsepower. For towing, the Ranger can handle up to 400 kilograms, while the Triton boasts a slightly higher capacity of 500 kilograms. Both trucks provide robust performance for demanding tasks. Inside, the Ford Ranger often impresses with a standard 10.1-inch or available 12-inch infotainment screen, offering a modern interface. The L200 Triton typically features a 9-inch touchscreen, providing essential controls and smartphone integration. Both vehicles prioritize safety, incorporating advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping. The Ranger also frequently includes more advanced digital instrumentation and connectivity options. On the road, the Ford Ranger often provides a more car-like and refined driving experience, making daily commutes comfortable. The Mitsubishi L200 Triton, however, is renowned for its rugged durability and exceptional off-road prowess, built to tackle challenging terrains. When considering overall value, it's wise to look at factors like resale value and maintenance costs over time. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.